Obviously didn't know what I was doing. What can I say? I screwed up. In the last video, I installed the heater and obviously didn't know what I was doing. Let's take a closer look. See just how I screwed up. Some of you, it's probably obvious. So I ran the exhaust way uphill, not even thinking about condensation. Never even crossed my mind. I was more concerned about excessive heat buildup in the exhaust and it not wanting to scavenge itself properly. So I ran it uphill because, heat rises. And apparently condensation goes downhill. I was happy a nice viewer pointed that out to me. So today we're going to take these boards and mount them to that wall and those brackets and get that mounted and get that reworked. These are the bolts or screws are taken out. Loosen up this so that this will slide underneath the edge of it. Just in case I ever want to put it back on its feet, I want to have the feet. That's going to kind of screw up my math a little bit. Yeah, it just doesn't reach anymore. Son of a booger snatcher. I think I know what I'll do for now. It's the exact same size. So what I'm going to do for now, guess you can't cut straight. Alright, since this piece and this piece were the same size and the coupler is the same size as both of them, in case I couldn't see, I split the coupler with a pair of 10 snips, put it on there, wrapped it with a couple pieces of high heat aluminum foil, and then clamped it. We'll see how that holds up. In the meantime, I'll try and find bigger size coupler. This little piece I'm putting in is supposedly 25.5 millimeters, so it's supposed to fit over pretty much all this stuff, and it seemed to. It said it would clamp down, and it seems to. The reason for replacing the muffler, because I found out the mufflers are supposed to go outside because they are not airtight. When I cover up one end, blow in the other, they're definitely not airtight. And I want all the burnt gases to go outside. We got a nice downward angle. And I think this is finally correct. I hope this helps somebody avoid the mistakes that I made. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And Thanks for watching.